Hi, welcome back for another self-compassionate exercise. This one's called the compassionate U-turn. Now, the compassionate U-turn activates the self-kindness component of self-compassion, and it's based on the three universal expressions of compassion: a soft gaze, soothing touch, and the gentle vocalization. Now, as we said in the introduction, you choose the exercises that are useful for you. But we think this one may be particularly important because if people aren't used to being compassionate themselves, this can really get us started. Now, it's called the compassionate U-turn because we're usually very compassionate toward others, but when it comes to ourselves, maybe less so. So please, to start, find a comfortable position. Take a few deep, delicious breaths as you allow yourself to settle into your body and into your chair. Let's do that together. Breathe out slightly more than you're breathing in. Now, for this exercise, I'd like you to recall a problem or a difficulty in your life and something that's more in the mild or moderate category. Nothing too extreme, nothing to be your worst nightmare, because we don't want to overwhelm you. We want you to get used to using these exercises well when you're in a little bit of stress. So start when things are mild or moderate. So begin to think about a problem that you'd like to focus on, a challenge, an issue. Now, part one, a soft gaze. What I'd like you to do is bring your mind to a face, particularly the eyes of a person you consider deeply compassionate. It could be a grandparent, a friend, a child. It could be your dog or cat. It could be a photo of somebody that you think is very compassionate. I'd like you to visualize the eyes of such a compassionate being. There's nothing else you have to do. Just give yourself permission to breathe in that person's gaze. Allow yourself simply to receive the warmth of that gaze and compassion. Part two, a soothing or supportive touch. Just take your hand and place it on any part of your body where you might feel that stress at the moment. Just feel the sense of touch and warmth. Allow kindness to stream through your fingers into that part of your body. It's been working pretty hard. I'm going to put it on my heart. I'm just going to let my feelings, the warmth just generate from my hands into my heart. You're not trying to change the experience, but you're giving yourself an expression of kindness to your body. Nothing else has to happen. Just be present at the moment. And part three, gentle vocalizations. Think for a moment words you'd like to hear right now. Words of encouragement, support, trust, kindness. See if you can whisper those words in your mind's ear. Words you'd like to hear right now in your life that would be warm and tender, just like you might speak to a friend or somebody you care about. Give yourself permission to receive these words. Allow them to saturate your body. Fill your being with these words of kindness. Now, let's do the expression of all three together. Visualize the eyes and soft gaze of a compassionate being. Allow yourself to bathe in that gaze. Feel the compassionate touch of your hand on your body and offer yourself words of kindness, words you'd like to hear, especially now when you're having some distress. Breathe deeply, experience what's going on for you right now in your body. And before we come out of this exercise, take a moment to let's use heal. You've had the experience. I hope it's been positive for you. Allow yourself to be in the moment just as you are. Now enrich it. Turn up the volume. Just stay with how you feel for a moment and absorb it. You did it intentionally. Help the experience just be bigger and lasting and take over. And link it. Notice any changes in your emotions, in your body. How did it help you? And when you're ready, take a big deep breath. Take a look around the room. Bring yourself back to your surroundings. I hope that was helpful. Thank you.